Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes back with another one, guys. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Before we do that, watch out for spam, WhatsApp, in the comments down below. Feel free to join VIP to be alerted whenever we get in and out of plays. Also, get your free stock from down below as well. Hit me up for a 15-minute, 30-minute consultation phone call if you'd like to do that. Just go ahead and jump right into it, guys. Take a look at Bitcoin, crypto, Shiba Inu. Take a look at that, guys. We ain't checked it out in a while. As we know, I'm still overall long-term bullish on crypto. In the short term, I do believe this could be a bull trap, guys. It seems so easy, peaches and cream. It all make perfect sense. But like I just tell you guys on the messenger, whenever things line up and make perfect sense, sometimes you got to know what's liable to happen. Just as if on yesterday when the market was bullish, a lot of people thinking, oh, just not really knowing what to think. Like, why is this really happening? Like I told you guys, it was a bull trap just to trap in more buyers and then really make what happen afterwards. Meaning we're gonna let them. There's so many shorts, so many people piling up to short the market on the yesterday and this week, being for the fact these banks collapsing, interest rates steady going up, inflation still a problem, economy on edge, things looking on uneasy like that. It was automatic short. We already knew. So that being said, the market is going to do what the majority is not doing. That's why it spiked up. And on today, it sold off, leaving everybody like, dang, what happened to the gains? What's going on? So if you didn't get in and utilize that certain time stamp on yesterday's market, you didn't really gain anything. You lost it all on today if you had went long. So you already know, guys. Same thing with crypto, Bitcoin. Now Bitcoin is shooting up while the market is shooting down. The banks collapsing. A lot of people realizing these banks is going into panic mode, and basically the new world order, what the world is going to go into, more digital, cashless society. People is starting to understand that they can now be their own banks with utilizing crypto. They can now have the power of being their own banks, having money sitting in a place where it's going to theoretically grow over time, which Bitcoin and having your money in the big dogs of the crypto space, Ethereum, Bitcoin, has proven over the last decade that it's been around, and year over year that it's going to continue to grow as a great investment vehicle. As people start to realize and see that, like I told you guys, all these big businesses is going to do away with accepting green paperback money. Only thing they're going to accept within their businesses is cryptocurrency. If you're paying your rent, if you buying a car, if you buying clothes, if you buying food, only way you're going to be able to buy that is if you convert your shitless money into crypto. You're going to have to go and convert that green money over to crypto, and then purchase whatever it is you want to purchase on the open market. That's the only way they're going to accept your money. That way, every money that they, all the money that they collect now is theoretically going to appreciate over time. Collecting that green paperback money from you, that shitless, worthless money, right? I mean, theoretically, we love money. I love green. I love cash. I have cash, But I'm saying overall, theoretically, if we get technical, we know cash is, you losing its value as time continue to, as inflation stated to be a problem, right? So I'm losing my train of thought. So basically what I'm saying in a nutshell is you better be stacking up on crypto, because they're going to implement a strategy where that's all you're going to be able to use anyway. Like I told you guys, simplified, gold is your Bitcoin. Bitcoin is looked at as gold. Ethereum is looked at as silver. And Shiba Inu, Terra Luna Classic, and everything else is looked at as money. That's what you could spend, because you're going to have so many of them, hundreds of thousands, millions of coins. You could spend that on a little something, but your Bitcoin, your Ethereum, you definitely don't want to spend that on anything. Hope you guys understand it, because if you don't now, eventually you will. So Shiba Inu burn rate is steady going up, guys. Shiba Inu is on the verge of possibly rebounding and reaching some new highs here soon. Even if it reached new highs, I do believe crypto, Ethereum, everything is going to come down again. I do believe it's going to come down again. And, I hope it don't. I hope it stays up. But that's just with it being just knowing this game, knowing this the psychological points, also a gap to be closed. I call Bitcoin to drop from 50K all the way down to 20K. When it got to 20, I said if it break 18K, it's going to 10K. It didn't quite get to 10. It came down to 15,000. It don't necessarily always have to close that gap, but it's in the back of my mind. Just to, instead of just leaving you guys half answer, I'm gonna give you the full answer. or why I believe what I believe. Shiba burn rates flies up 9,562%. Almost a billion Shiba Inu killed in a single transaction, guys. So Shiba burn rate is steady increasing. As we was doing research on this in the past, we know Shiba Inu has implemented multiple strategies, multiple ways to get the to get the supply down, increasing the burn rate and get the supply down of Shiba Inu. As the supply decreases, the value of your Shiba Inu that you hold increases. So that's exactly what they need to be doing. They got Shiba Inu Coffee Company, Shiba Inu Eternity, Shiba Inu Games, Shiba Inu this, Shiba Inu that. They have a lot of different creative ways. Shiba Inu YouTube channels. They take the revenue sent to the burn portal, burn Shiba. They got so many different creative ways to get rid of Shiba. And as time keep going, the community keep growing, they're going to come up with more and more creative ways that get the burn rate up quicker and kill Shiba Inu supply even faster. And that's going to cause a lot of money to be made with Shiba Inu, guys. So you already know, it's a lot going on. You definitely, people is going to be flocking to crypto. You see Coinbase going up, all that good stuff. Definitely a great stock to be invested in. So you guys already know what to do. Add your boy on Instagram. Get in VIP. Add me over there on Instagram at the BHayshow _. Only one page. I love you guys. We out. God bless you.